What if the last 9 weeks weren't just a message, but a warning for you with your marching orders? If you're still standing after the time that we spent together and what God revealed in this series, then you've already been chosen to rebuild. And in this video, I'm going to show you what's next and how to step into it. This is not just a mere recap. This is a commissioning. And if you're still standing after these 9 weeks, then you weren't just called to watch. You were chosen to rebuild. Over the past weeks, God didn't just teach us. He transformed and transferred. He broke chains, shattered false comforts and beliefs, and handed you blueprints for kingdom rebuilding. You saw what comfort can cost. You learned that mockery is just proof you're making progress. And you found out provision is already waiting for your vision. Listen, brothers and sisters, this isn't about church as usual. This isn't about business as usual. It's about remnant reformers, builders, apostolic architects, prophets. You weren't called to repeat history. You were called to rewrite it with heaven's strategy. We learned such things as Nehemiah didn't cry over rubble. He rebuilt it. Esther didn't wait for signs. She moved with wisdom. And now it's your turn. The breach has been repaired. The remnant has been marked and called out. It's time to build what can't be broken again. I told you in the beginning, this was not just a series, it was a setup. And this month marks a new beginning. We go from watchers to builders, from insight to implementation. And I hope that you're ready because it's time to move. If something awakened you during this journey that we've spent over the past weeks, don't stay silent. Drop "I'm a Kingdom Solutionist" in the comments and let me know so I can hold you accountable. Subscribe and turn on your notifications because in the coming months, I've got some new prophetic releases and some charges that are going to unlock what your next Kingdom Builder assignment is about. I'm already preparing what God has already given me for this next season, and I'm speaking to kingdom builders across the globe. The work has begun, and you're a part of it, and it's time to take your place and your position in the kingdom and fulfill your kingdom assignment. Comment below, "I'm a Kingdom Solutionist, and I'm prepared for this season of kingdom building. I'm prepared for the movement that God has began because the work has already begun, and you're a big part of that." See you on the inside.